Oh, you're massaging it.
I know.
Look at you massaging
I know.
it.
Oh, it feels so good.
That's a lot of stuff. And so's that.
We're at the marina and we got locked out. We didn't have the gate key. So I had to park over there and we have to walk all the ways down there to the boat with all our groceries. Liquor, beer, lots of groceries. And then the car's still full of a ton of crap from Home Depot. I'm not even sure where to start. We've got a table full of stuff for the boat, and food and all sorts of extra stuff. Our new blue regulators.
Recreational breathing apparatus.
Yeah, our Magma grill, and then let alone the $1,000 worth of food we just bought and wine.
Yeah, that wasn't part. Well, yeah, I guess it
Yeah.
is. All right, well, we got to get started.
Yep.
7 pounds of ribeyes, vacuum sealed into individual portions. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts, chicken wings.
You got chicken wings? The air fryer?
Yeah, chicken thighs. Coho salmon. And New York strips.
Yeah, my New York strips.
It's a lot of meat.
Yeah, we are preparing for Bermuda and the Caribbean, so we want to get a lot of meat from
The U.S.
Yes, and it's all from
Fresh Market.
Fresh Market, which we love.
Yep.
So Adrian's got like another hour and a half worth of freeze drying. No, not
Vacuum sealing.
Vacuum sealing. Yeah.
Yeah. Then I can eat dinner.
And I'm working on this mess out here. And then we go to Bermuda.
Oh my God, we're going to Bermuda.
Bermuda.
And then BVI.
BVI.
We haven't been to BVI in 3 years.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
It's gonna be awesome. Okay. That's your going to BVI dance? Nice.
Try to make the best of your time. Keep on giving. Gotta earn a living. Try to make the best of your time. Keep on giving.
Today's a very exciting day for us. We bought from Ullman a brand new mainsail, and it's a Hydranet Radial Dyneema interlaced, really cool sail. We wanted to take a quick pause to talk about the new sails. Why do we get new sails? What kind of sails are they? Bottom line is, I didn't take very good care of the sails. They were in BVI in charter for 9 months. They got beaten up over there, hot sun. We brought the boat back to Florida. The stack pack didn't have a zipper on it, and the Velcro had worn off, so it was basically just baked in the sun for 3.5 years, or almost 4 years. On me, didn't take very good care of it. Threads were coming out. It was degrading. It was dirty. We needed new sails.
Why did you choose to go with Hydranet Radial?
So why did I choose to go to Hydranatal?
Hydranatal.
Hydranatal. Why did I choose to go with Hydranet Radial? Very good question. I'm glad you asked.
Okay.
We wanted something that was similar to what we had, but better quality, better construction, better quality, maybe better performance. We did a bunch of research. The Hydranet Radial seemed like the best way to go for us. What is it? Most sails that come with production boats, they're Dacron sails or polyester weave, okay? Hydranet Radial is also a polyester weave, but it's much tighter, much stronger. It's got Dyneema threads in it, so it's a tighter, stronger sail. Technically, we should sail faster. Not that I need to sail faster, because I sail really fast to begin with, but now I'm even faster. We can probably beat a gunboat right now. Maybe not a gunboat, or an HH.
Does it all that tight weave and Dyneema make it hold its shape better?
Yes, I'm glad you asked that. The tight weave, the Dyneema, it makes it hold the shape better. It's a stronger sail. It's going to last a lot longer. It should last twice as long. It's much more durable than the old one.
Can you point up higher into the wind with it, you think?
Possibly. I think
you
yeah, so far we've been sailing much faster. It's the increase in shape, it seems like it's doing much better.
Yeah.
So again, performance is a huge benefit for this.
There's a lot of money.
It was a lot of money. It was probably twice as much as what if we would have bought a new sail, like a new Dacron polyester sail, probably twice as much. But they say it should last twice as long, if not more. I'm thinking, okay, it'll last twice as long. We're gonna have the boat for a really long time. We're gonna sail fast. It's cleaner.
We're pointing up higher into
Looks
the wind,
great.
which we are.
Yeah. So that's.
Was it worth it?
So far, I think it's worth it. Yeah.
I think so too.
Yeah. So.
And you had to really convince me because it was a lot of money.
I did. It was a lot of money, but
But
I think it's worth it.
I do too.
And we got really good sails now. Again, they look great. Sail faster. It should last a lot longer.
We're happy with it.
Very happy. Okay, now back to the show.
Okay.
So we're going to put it up today. I think it's going to be beautiful. First step is get it on the boat.
Dropped yourself on a dirty sink. Steak comes out great. You ordered it pink.
I'm still not picturing how we're going to get the battens in, but
You know what?
it's got to be something magical, I think.
I think he's done this before, so he's going to teach us a thing or two today.
Try to make the best of your time. Keep on giving.
Due to operator error of our camera support equipment, the next 17 minutes of video all look like this. Sorry about that.
We were supposed to have our boater cycle on there, but apparently there was a miscommunication, so now we have a leopard paw print on there. Not exactly what we wanted, but it is what it is. Can I help you?
Heckling is encouraged.
I'm not a good heckler.
Get on the leech now. We're going to give you just a little deflection in from where the end of the batten is right now, so about mid-pocket.
So, new jib?
It's got the new Genoa smell to it.
How is it?
It smells very canvasy
Canvassy.
and hydranet-y.
Hydranet.
Yeah.
I'm-
Come a little closer at it.
I'm just amazed that it fits in this little pouch.
It's a Hydranet Radial, so it's like not like regular.
Oh, you're massaging it.
I know.
Look at you massaging
I know.
that.
Oh, it feels so good. This Genoa is very tiny. Look how tiny it is. There's no way this is going up there. Our old wrinkly Genoa is coming down. It's down.
Down. An old wrinkly guy came over to help you fix your old wrinkly.
An old wrinkly guy came in. Yeah. I would never have said that.
New jib going up. Leaving Annapolis, lesson 1. When the boat engines haven't been running for a month, you might have to jump start them. So if you're going to leave the boat for like 2 weeks, run it before you leave it.
We just jump started that engine. Now Adrian's going to go down in here and jump start this engine. And before people ask, people are going to say, why don't you use this really handy battery link switch? That battery link switch never worked. You ready? Success. Lesson 1. Don't leave your boat for a month without not starting the engines with your batteries will die, especially if it's cold as shit like it is up here in Annapolis in October. The funny part is we haven't jump started the engines in like 2 years, so we had to go back and look at our old video, which is called Jump Starting an Engine. So our videos really work. At least they help us. I don't know if it helps anybody else, but it helps us a lot.
I've been in this room for an hour, and for some reason it just doesn't look any better. There's shit everywhere. And the worst part is all of our scuba stuff was jammed in the corner way up there in the forepeak. And because it doesn't get any airflow way up there, and because it's been so cold, the whole room was dripping with condensation, and now all my scuba stuff is covered in mold. So that's just gross.
So, as we were entering the inlet to Deltaville, this happened. How cool to get buzzed by two A10 Warthogs out for a day of training. Twice!
We had 1 foot under the keel a second ago in the channel. And we're gonna have some pretty hellacious wind starting tonight and all day tomorrow coming up from the south. So we don't wanna be in the Chesapeake Bay. And here we are, dropped anchor in Deltaville. We're finally heading to Norfolk today. Actually, we're not going to Norfolk, Norfolk as they call it. We're going to Hampton. We're gonna hang out at the Hampton Yacht Club until our weather window lets us go to Bermuda. And we're getting excited. Today's Tuesday, November 8th. And it looks like we might be able to go next Tuesday. We got a new anchor bridle when we were in Rhode Island on the Hard. I didn't really ask for a new anchor bridle. I just asked the yard to please look at mine because I thought it was a little frayed. And when we came back from Vegas, turns out they had made us a whole new one. And it's longer than our old one, so I can't run it the same as I used to. Now I have to run it down through here. Otherwise it swings in the water and rubs on the roll bar of the anchor while we're sailing. So, you know, it's all a challenge. Everything's a challenge. This is quite the puckering turn right here.
That was a scary turn.
I know, it was a bit puckering, wasn't it?
I was like, I hope our helm, hope our wheel works. So we're about to kind of go out into like 20 plus knots of wind, but it's going to be downwind, so I'm hoping it's not extremely terrible. Did you take any Dramamine today?
No.
That might be a problem.
Well, it's supposed to be 20, not 35.
Yeah. And we're going to test out our new head sail,
Yeah.
our new Genoa, so shake it out today.
Shake it out, baby. Shake it out.
Join us next time as we sail our worst passage ever. It sucked. Did I mention it was the worst passage ever? Did I mention that it totally sucked? Watch it, you might like it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell and tell your friends.
Therapy.